Hey guys, so I got something special for you today. It's gonna be special for you today. There's a Delta 5 rocket that's launching off today, so we're about to go see it blast off in another minute, and we're gonna go. So there you have it. That is the Atlas V rocket launching off. You can see the smoke cloud left behind. It's really cool. It's really loud. I hope it wasn't too windy because I know the wind was really pretty bad. But anyways, it's always a special treat when I get to show you guys this stuff. I work at NASA, so it's cool. See ya. And a little side note, it's kind of rare to see it like that because normally it goes into the clouds and you can't see it, but in this occasion you got to see it go all the way up, and I don't know if the camera really caught it, but you can see like the boosters coming off and all that stuff. So it's a pretty cool occasion. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.